before putting your makeup on tomorrow. You might want to watch this because if you have dirty brushes, it could actually be aging you, especially if you're over 50. So what does that mean? Our brushes start to collect bacteria, dead skin cells, and our faces are quite frankly delicate as we mature. We respond to irritation easily. We have more texture. So ladies, when you are using dirty brushes on your face, it's not just about how the makeup goes on, which I'll explain here in a second, but it also means that a dirty brush can make you age because it's going to enhance texture, settle into your fine lines. So it's very important and necessary that you can clean your brushes. So also, when I say about makeup, when we talk about makeup, if your makeup is going on like patchy, it's not blending, then it's probably because you have dirty brushes. And it's a simple solution. I use a brush cleaner, microfiber cloth, and let's just take this brush right here that's pretty dirty and just spray easily. You want a simple process to clean your brushes already. And probably the best way to do that is with a spray cleaner, because this particular one is a dry cleaner and all you have to do is spray, wipe, and go ahead and use your makeup instantly. Now this is going to remove any residuals. Of the makeup, it's going to condition your brushes. It will sanitize, it will disinfect, all the things that you need to stop the aging process when using a dirty brush. And look at that. And the brush is clean. Now you can do deep cleaning. I do a deep cleaning of my brushes once a month, and I'll have a video at the end on how to do that. But this one, I would suggest every time you do your makeup or every 3 days. But also it's going to prevent you from picking up too much makeup and having thick layers on your skin. Look at that. I'm gonna go into this side of my brush again. I'm gonna do a couple brushes just to demonstrate. Spray, and then just wipe gently. You're gonna press in gently and swirl around so your makeup brushes are nice and clean. You can even do that with your eyeshadow brushes. Let's do an eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna spray and then just swirl. And you can see it's just picking right up. You can use a paper towel, but I like to use a microfiber cloth on my brushes. And look at that, the eyeshadow is already gone. I'm, like I said, conditioning my brushes, sanitizing. I'm removing the oils, the bacteria, the dead skin cells that's definitely going to age our skin. And I want to prevent redness and irritation, and definitely want that smooth application of my makeup. So I'm going to do this one really quick. And I want to know in the comments, are you going to start cleaning your brushes? Like, put the word clean. If this was a moment like, oh no, you're looking at your brushes, I want you to go look at them, okay, after this video. Go look at them, and if they are dirty, I want you to come back, watch this video. Look how clean that is already. Amazing. Watch this video and then put the word clean in the comments. Like, yeah, I need to clean my brushes. I need to do that this week, Jade. And of course, as always, if you have any questions about this cleaner or brushes, makeup, you can even clean your beauty blender with a spray cleaner. You just spray and use the same microfiber cloth. Easy. So again, let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. I gotta get back to cleaning.